Hello, Joan of Arc here. This is my last day in Sagada, and best way to leave Sagada is to travel in style. I'm taking the Coda Lines to Manila. There are other transportation facilities here. You can take the jeepney, private car, or other buses. But let's try this most comfortable ride from Sagada. It's a 12-hour trip from Sagada to Manila. Coda Lines bus ticket office where you can get your ticket. Well, I'm on the bus right now and it's not yet full. I have no idea if they will wait for this bus to be full, but looks like it's gonna be 3 o'clock soon, and probably they'll leave full or not. There's a toilet in the bus. That's the toilet. I'm excited to use that because I feel like I'm gonna go right now. Well, the bus isn't moving yet. Let's try the toilet. So this is the toilet inside the bus. Voila! So it looks like an airline toilet. So let's see how this works. It's very tiny in here. And okay. Alright. We're in here and ready to go. So that's the flushing. Alright. Hello. Okay, get out of here. And still you're in the bus. So again, there's a mini sink and hand wash, toilet paper. Yeah, comfortable bathroom. There's a little window where you can see the outside. And get off here. This is the most comfortable ride from Sagada to Cubao. It's a 12-hour ride. Probably the longest bus ride I've ever had. So this is gonna be a first for me. Nobody at the back, so there's not a lot of people. The ticket costs almost 1,000 pesos for the bus ride. Got me a box of lemon pie from Sagada as pasalubong for my daughter Bea. So I saw this box of lemon pie and bringing this to her. I hope I won't leave this on the bus like I did when I took a bus to Lipa, brought a box of Napoleones from Bacolod and left it right there. I hope it doesn't happen now. That's why I'm putting this on my vlog as well. We are now leaving Sagada. It's a rainy afternoon. Feet off. Coda Lines has actually 2 drivers. One driver is expert on mountain driving, while the other driver takes care of city driving or lowland driving. Our driver right here is obviously Igorot. He knows his way around in the mountains, so he's the one doing the mountain driving. Right, there's Sagada. Off my bus because there's gonna be a huge traffic delay. Why? It's a rainy afternoon and there's a landslide there. I'll try to take closer photos and videos.